Hi guys, for my presentation I chose the public lecture over baby galaxies, presented by Dr. John Wise on November 18th. Dr. Wise has a bachelor's degree from Georgia Tech and a PhD from Stanford, both in physics. Before coming to Georgia Tech, he was a postdoc at NASA. Now, he is a professor at the Center for Relativistic Astrophysics at Georgia Tech. During this lecture, Dr. Wise discussed how the universe formed, starting with the Big Bang and ending up the way it is today. I thought this lecture was very interesting because Dr. Wise used a lot of visuals, including telescope images and programming, to help us visualize the universe. He began by describing the size of the universe and used the analogy that if you hold a dime out at arm's length and look at Roosevelt's eye, you would be looking at a region containing 10,000 galaxies. I thought that was really amazing, considering that was such a small area of the entire sky. The Hubble Space Telescope is a device that allows us to see into outer space. This image of the Hubble Ultra Deep Field shows 10,000 galaxies. Something I already knew was that we see galaxies how they used to be, not how they currently are. This is due to the amount of time it takes light to travel from distant galaxies to our planet. So it is somewhat like time traveling and seeing what the universe looked like long ago. Dr. Wise explained that it takes 8 minutes for light to travel from the Sun to the Earth, but 2.4 million years to travel from a neighboring galaxy to us. Dr. Wise also explains that the only thing that existed when the universe began was electrons, protons, and particles of light, when they combined to make light elements such as hydrogen, helium, and lithium. Finally, during a period called reionization, the universe became ionized and allowed us to see the formed galaxies. The first stars in the universe were made from light elements and therefore had short lifetimes. When these early stars exploded in a supernova, they gave out heavier elements. When the first stars began to merge, they formed galaxies. These galaxies then expanded and merged, resulting in the universe as we know it and the galaxy we are most familiar with. Our own, the Milky Way. Through my own research, I learned that the Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, and our solar system is located about 27,000 light-years away from its galactic center, which is marked by a supermassive black hole. And our planet Earth is just one of the hundreds of billions of planets in our galaxy.